Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning and Sharing. When it comes to our world, we all become so excited. We all want to know each and everything about this world because this world is our home where we are being living. So we people are not only physically attached to this world, but emotions are being involved. So we want to know who is who and what is what in this world. So in this particular video, we all will explore about our earth. We will see how old is our earth, how many people are being living in this world, what is the gender equality, how many kids are being born, which countries are more influential or powerful countries, which countries has largest armies, which is the highest point and which is the lowest point of our earth. We will also discuss the deserts, the glaciers, mountains, oceans, and lakes of this world. So I'm sure this video is going to be very helpful for those students and also the general audience who want to know about this world. So let's explore what we have in this video. So we are now discuss in detail the world key facts. Now the total surface area of our earth is 510 million square kilometer. Out of it, 71% is the water while 29% is the land area. While the age of our earth is 4.6 billion years. मीन्स हमारे ज़मीन की जो उम्र है वो 4.6 बिलियन ईयर्स है. When we talk about the diameter, it is 7,918 miles. We have 7 continents in the world: North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Oceania. Asia contains 29.9% of total land area if you talk about the overall contribution of all continents. Africa is number 2nd, is 20.2. Then we have a North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. So it means Australia is the smallest of all continents. When we talk about the countries in terms of land area, Russia is the largest country in the world. Then we have a Canada, then we have a China, then we have US, and after US we have a Brazil. So you can now see in the map here also, you can see the specific location of all these big countries of the world. The largest countries, we talked already that when we talk about the top 10 smallest countries by area, so Vatican City is number 1, then we have a Monaco, then we have a Noro, then we have a Tuvalu, then we have San Marino. So these all are the smallest countries by area in the world. You can also see the world map where you can easily find these all smaller countries of the world. After, we'll talk about the population of this world. So our world is the home of 7.9 billion people. It is the latest statistics. When we come out the ratio, the difference between male and female ratio, it is 100 female is compared to 101 female males. So the life expectancy at the birth is 64 years, the male, while female is 68 years. So when you talk about the life expectancy, female has a more life expectancy as compared to the females here. Now we'll talk about the the religions, the beliefs, the different beliefs that people are being following here. Number 1 is Christianity. There are many people, more people are following the Christianity. दे आर 32.3%, यानी कि क्रिश्चियन जो लोग हैं वो दुनिया में 32.3% हैं. देन कम्स द इस्लाम. नंबर सेकंड इज इस्लाम. आफ्टर इस्लाम वी हैव अ हिंदुइज्म. After Hinduism, we have a non-religious. There are different non-religious people, means the people who don't follow any religion. Buddhism, they have a followers of 7%. There are also other religion like Judaism, Sikhism, or ethnic religion, and also Chinese religion. So it is nearly impossible to determine the exact number of religion worldwide. However, some estimates say there are over 4,000. Though we don't have an exact number, and even we can't, determine or record the religion, but the numbers, the records shows that here are the 4,000 religions. So about 85% of all identify with the religion, means 85% of people of the world, they are been following any religion, means they are being religion. Now we have a top largest populated countries of the world. Number one is the China. After China, we have India. After India, we have a US. USA. After USA, we have Indonesia, Pakistan, Brazil, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia, and the Mexico. Now we talk about the 10 top richest countries in the world. Number one is Qatar. Number second is Luxembourg. Number third is Macau SR. Number fourth is Singapore. Number five, Brunei. Then number goes further. Then we have a Kuwait, Norway, UAE, San Marino, and the Switzerland. So what are the 10 poorest countries of the world? When we compare the per capita incomes, so we have a statistic of 2018. The most poorest countries of the world are Burundi, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo. We have Niger, Liberia, Malawi, Mozambique. So you can see here most of the countries are being located in the African continent. Now we'll talk about the smallest countries by population. You also saw the biggest, largest countries by population. I will see the smallest countries by the population. So, in terms of population, we have Tuvalu, we have Palau, we have S. Martin, which is a French part. We have a San Marino, we have Turks and Cassio Island. So these are the smallest countries in terms of population. Now we'll talk about the top 10 largest deserts in the world. But before taking the names of these deserts, you have to keep in mind there are different types of deserts. Deserts can be hot, deserts can be cold. So even the deserts, which are the area which are being covered with the snow and the ice, they are also being considered the deserts here. So Antarctica is the largest desert. Then we have a Arctic deserts. Number third is the Sahara Desert, Arabian deserts, Gobi deserts, Kalahari deserts, Great Victoria deserts, Pentagonian deserts, Syrian deserts, and we have Great Basin deserts. So you can see the locations of these deserts at the different parts of the world. Now we'll talk about the top 10 highest mountains in the world. The highest point in the world is the Mount Everest. At the same time, the lowest point of Earth is the Mariana Trench. So the number one top highest place is the Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meter. Then comes the Mount K2, Goodwin Austen. Then Mount Kachingwa. Then comes the Mount Host. Then comes the Macau. So we have a top 10 highest mountains in this world. Now we'll talk about the largest oceans and the seas in the world. as you already know, we have a five large oceans. Number one is the Pacific Ocean, then is the Atlantic Ocean, and then we have a Indian Ocean, and number four the Arctic Ocean, and number five the South China Sea. In terms of sea, we have a Caribbean Sea, we have a Mediterranean Sea, we have Bering Sea, we have Sea of Crocs, and we have a Gulf of Mexico. So you can see these oceans and seas in this slide also, and you have also a map of the ocean and the seas here. Now we'll talk about the largest rivers of the world. Number one is the Nile. Number second is the Amazon. Number third is the Yangtze. Number four is the Mississippi. Number five is Yangtze. And the number goes further. So we have a Hong Kong here, we have we have a Parana, we have a Congo, we have a Omer. So these all are the largest rivers of the world. Now we'll talk about the top powerful countries of the world in terms of defense. Means these countries have more secure defense. So they have high security. Number one is the United States. Number second is Russia. Number third is China. Number fourth, United Kingdom. Number five, we have China. We have what we have Germany. Number six, we have a France, and number 8 we have Israel. Number 9 we have Saudi Arabia. Number 10 we have United Arab Emirates. So it was all about the key facts of this world. So if you like my videos, please subscribe and share with your friends so you have a quick notification of my videos. Till then, take care of yourself. See you very soon.